Welcome to Stuttgart, guys. Yo guys, you know what it is? This is Machine Traveler here. Today I'm in Stuttgart. So Stuttgart is a city and also a capital of Baden-Württemberg. So guys, I'm in the shopping center right here just to buy a charger because my battery is down, and then I will keep recording. So very soon, guys. Guys, I've been saying lately that I'm in Stuttgart, so I came across to one of the live show in Stuttgart. So performing by brother. So now I'm about to turn the camera guy right now and I'll show you the music, the movement right now.
Everyone's gathering around the fire. Chestnuts frozen like a hot light. That's being making noise. I know I'ma be under the mistletoe. Boys on the streets and it's coming down.
Guys, this is crazy. Only travelers can show you this. Look at this. I think this is million shops. So this is their advertisement. It's crazy. Look at this. So this is around the Weihnachtsmarkt. So now just for a little bit to see, you know, the Stuttgart city. So you know what it is. Everywhere is lights. So it's representing the Weihnachten right now here. So, and for those who celebrate Christmas and preparing their Christmas and stuff like this. So, like me, I'm a traveler. So I don't say no to anything. I just go there and to, you know, experience stuff about other people's culture. So my traveling is just about to explore the people culture and to meet with different people, and yeah, because it's all about education. So yeah, I know what it is. So it is a Weihnacht decoration, and you find every small shops where they sell different items. Some sell food, some sell, you know, decoration styles, clothes, chips, whatever you can call it. So this around, you know, and also, you know, jacket. Yeah, because it's also, you know, we in the winter in Germany, so you can see. Yeah, just to, you know, it's also, you know, I don't know if it's German culture or not, but it's celebrated everywhere in Europe. Yeah. So my advice for travelers, so if you find yourself in this around, be careful what to drink and what to eat, because it's a wine preparation and people normally drink wine, alcohol and stuff like this. So if you're around here and you don't drink alcohol, then just order food like that. I mean, ask it before, buy anything, so you can have opportunity to buy something which is not alcohol. So that's why I'm saying this message. If you're a Muslim and you're just traveling around here, not only in Germany but out of Germany, or being in or visited by this kind of area, so ask what to drink and what to eat. So yeah. And also
Entschuldigung, dass ich im Weg stehe.
and also representing
siehst du was.
their Christianity. So I think this kind of thing's a little bit familiar because it's like a Jesus and Eva and I don't know what to say really. It's kind of familiar. You know? Yeah, so you can see what I was saying. You can use it for your Mikä sukurdilla ballen, mikä sukurotaminen? Abbiamo sucrol, sono di bene magari. Abbiamo sucrol, so sukurdilla bara che sono di sucrosa.
Justin vielleicht? Justin war bei der
Now I jump into the U-Bahn area right now. So I'm about to go in this U-Bahn.